In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to block someone on WhatsApp. Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Impact. If you're a new member here, can you make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss whenever I post awesome videos like this. So to block someone on WhatsApp, there are two methods I'm going to be showing you on which you can use to block someone on WhatsApp. So the first one is on your search bar. You can easily search for the person's name and go into the person's profile and block the person. So on our search bar here, I'm just going to search for a name, but we're not going to be using this method. I'm going to be using the other method, which I can click on this pen icon at the top corner right here and simply type in the person's name. So now I'm going to go into the person's chart. From here now, I'm going to click on the profile picture at the top corner. So all that I'm going to do now, this is the person I want to block. If this is the person you want to block their contacts, just scroll all the way to the bottom where it says block with the person's name. You're going to click on block, and your pop-up is going to ask you to confirm if you want to block this person. So you want to go ahead and click on block. So once you block this person automatically has been blocked on your WhatsApp. So this is how to block someone on WhatsApp. If this video was helpful, kindly make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss whenever I post any videos like this. Thank you and God bless you.
Tech Impact.